So it was time to change my buddy's cabin air filter in his car. He had a Honda Civic. So we picked these up online and they were extremely easy to put in. I was really surprised by that. So to access it, you need to open the glove box, pop the glove box out by the side of it. After you pop the glove box out, it's going to drop down to the bottom. After you do that, the cabin air filter is actually located right on the top inside of there. There are these two little levers that you just push to the side and it will pop right out. Next, you'll just pull out the cabin air filter, which you can see here was filthy. Definitely needed to be changed. So to put the new one in, you'll see that it actually has an airflow direction on there. That actually matched up with the panel that was inside the glove box of his car. So you just need to make sure you put it in the same way. This one goes in horizontally, and once again, follow the airflow arrow, push it in, then pop in the panel. After you pop in the panel, put the glove box back in place, and then you're done. It's really simple, easy to do, and I highly recommend this product to help change out your cabin air filter.